Are you guys ready to learn about these brilliant gadgets that'll help you in every way? Each and every one of these gadgets are super helpful. Like this soap holder that keeps your sink and soap clean. Having clogged drain problems? No worries. We have the solution for you with this unclogger. Have you ever seen a product that defrosts and frosts your food? So incredible, right? Just put your food and water in with the product. It can't get any simpler. Clean your food with this tool. So easy to use and so helpful. How amazing is this meat bun maker? No more wasting time cooking. Make each dish you prepare with these cooking tools. Aren't they amazing? We're making healthy gnocchi every day with this gnocchi machine maker. Is your food getting too greasy? Not a worry. Use these sheets that collect grease. This makeup container is the best thing you could ever purchase. Keeping your essentials safe while doing your makeup perfectly. You can use these handles anywhere in your home, of anything you need. Don't waste space with these clothes out of season. Vacuum seal them until you need them. Don't let your furniture gather dust. Use these sheets to keep them clean. Don't know where to put your mask so it won't get dirty? Why not use these mask pouches? Carry the small container to keep all your essentials safe. These super sturdy stairs are perfect for every home. Keeping you safe and helping you reach high places. Who wouldn't want to have simple product to make life easier and better?